Welcome, YouTubers, to my show. I'm Dr. Orbs Brown, bringing peace, love, harmony, and chakras to the world. We have a special guest for you today, the nature lady, Anna Jolie. Welcome. Sit down. Now, before I ask you my first question, I need to open up my chakras. Just give me a second. You see what I'm doing, you TVs? Let your chakras open. What? I sense a little negative vibration over here. Open up your chakras! Now, nature lady, Anna Jolie, tell me, what is your favorite nature?
My favorite nature?
Yes, there's so many. Notice, each and every strand, completely unique and different.
I would say the dandelion.
The dandelion. The wonder of the dandelion.
Sorry, are you allergic?
No.
Okay.
Now, nature lady, tell me, what is your favorite beetle?
Ringo.
Ringo? You are aware there's John, Paul, and George?
I know, but I feel sorry for Ringo, so he's my favorite.
Ringo, yes. You could have said John. It was all about bees! Or you could have said George, all about spirituality, but now it's Ringo! That's okay, nature lady. Because we're all unique individuals, okay? So if you're one of those Ringo lovers, don't hate yourself just because you're shallow and don't realize that the other Beatles are so much more far advanced spiritually. Go ahead and love Ringo! Now, nature lady, do you have any words of wisdom of nature that you can give out to the YouTubies of the world? Open your chakras. Open your chakras.
Love thy nature as thyself.
Love thy nature. Did you hear that, YouTubies? Love thy nature as thyself. Dr. Norris, I don't believe has ever heard anything so profound, so deep, so true. Love thy nature. Love thy nature as thyself. Oh, I love you, nature. I love you. Are we learning something today? Look, a pumpkin growing in the garden. Oh, the face is already carved out. One final question. How has this experience been for you, sharing in the moment with the Dr. Orbs Brown?
It's been a learning experience.
It's been a learning experience. Did you hear that? Some of you who aren't paying attention? How am I supposed to teach you peace and tranquility when you won't pay attention and won't learn anything? But nature lady told you to learn something that you just won't. Why won't the world learn? It's about peace and tranquility for once in your life. But no, everybody's Goodbye, nature lady.
Bye.
Thank you. This has been Jim Norris, Orbs Prana. Good day. Have you done rolling? Oh, man.